7 ways to use intonation. How to enhance your English communication. That is the focus of today's video. Welcome back to English Classes Online. As usual, I am your host, Benjamin. Are you speaking English but still feel misunderstood? The secret might be in your intonation. In this video, we will explore what intonation is, why it is important, and the 7 best ways to use it so that you can sound more natural and confident in English. Make sure you watch the video till the end if you want to unlock the power of voice modulation, learn to convey meaning and emotion effectively, transform your speaking skills, and captivate your audience. Let's begin with the basic question: what is intonation? We can define intonation as the rise and fall of your voice in speech. And this means that it is not what you say, but how you say it. All right? You may say something, but your intended meaning may not be properly conveyed if you do not use the correct intonation. Okay? So how you say something matters. Not just what you say, but how you say it really matters. Now, for example, you are going, with a rising tone, it is a question. You are going. Now, what if you use a falling tone? You are going, it becomes a statement. You are going. Now, why intonation matters? Intonation matters because it adds emotion. It enhances depth and emotional impact of your words. It prevents misunderstanding as well because it clarifies meaning, avoiding confusion and ambiguity. This is why intonation matters. It boosts engagement by making you a more persuasive and interesting speaker. All right? For example, I didn't say he stole the money. So try stressing different words. Each version has a different meaning. Now let's try to stress different words. I didn't say he stole the money. Now, if we stress the word I didn't say he stole the money. Now, with emphasis on I, what it means is that I was not the one who said it. Probably someone else said it. Now, but it will be a different meaning if I shift the emphasis from I to he. I didn't say he stole the money. I didn't say he stole the money. So it means I didn't say he was the one who stole the money. I said someone stole the money, but I didn't say he stole the money. So I didn't say he stole the money. Now, it will have a different meaning if the stress is on stole. I didn't say he stole the money. By emphasizing stole, we are saying that, so with emphasis on stole, it means a different thing. I didn't say he stole the money. Probably I said he took the money, or he borrowed the money, for example. Okay? But if we stress money, I didn't say he stole the money. All right? With emphasis on money, it means I probably said he stole the purse or stole something else, but not the money. So when you stress different words, you have different meanings. Okay? So that's exactly uh, how you can have a different meaning, uh, you can convey a different meaning by using intonation. Therefore, when you are learning English, you shouldn't just learn what to say, you should also learn how to say it. This brings us to the different ways, we are going to discuss 7 uh, best ways to use intonation. Number 1, in asking questions. You can ask a yes or no question, and in doing that, you use rising tone at the end. For example, are you coming? Are you coming? That's a yes or no question. You can also use intonation in asking WH questions. And in asking WH questions, you use falling intonation to signal completeness. For example, what time is it? What time is it? Number 2, in making statements. The typical use of intonation in making statements is the falling intonation, which shows that the sentence is complete. For example, all right, when you actually make a statement with a falling tone, you show it is complete. On the other hand, when you are uncertain, you can also uh, use intonation to make a statement to indicate that you are uncertain about it. Okay, in this case, you use rising intonation to suggest doubt or, incompleteness or continuation. All right, let's look at the example. I am going to the store. With a falling tone, this means is a complete statement. Okay, but when you say I am going to the store, I am going to the store with a rising tone, you are indicating uncertainty. You are really not sure. You are undecided. Okay. Number 3, in expressing feelings. In expressing feelings, you use varied intonation to show excitement, sadness, or anger. Let's look at some examples. In expressing surprise, you can use a combination of rising tone and a falling tone. For example, really, really. In expressing sadness, you use a falling tone which is slow and low. For example, I am so tired. I am so tired. Number 4, in listing things. In listing items, you use rising tone on each item, falling on the last one. For example, I bought apples, oranges, and bananas. Now notice how the intonation rises on apples, oranges, but falls on bananas. I bought apples, oranges, and bananas. Number 5, in emphasizing something important. In doing that, you stress keywords with higher pitch and volume. For example, this is really important. You stress the keywords really and important. This is really important. Number 6, in using tag questions. Tag questions use intonation to express certainty or doubt. If you use the rising tone, you are expressing certainty. But if you use the falling tone, you are indicating confirmation. Let's look at some examples. Using the rising tone, for example, you can say, you are coming, aren't you? Remember, it's a tag question. It has two aspects. You are coming, aren't you? This indicates uncertainty. You are not sure whether the speaker is coming or not. So there is a tone of uncertainty in this tag question. On the other hand, if you use the falling tone, for example, you are coming, aren't you? You are expressing certainty. You are sure. You are only seeking confirmation. Number 7, the last but not the least, in contrasting between things. In doing this, you highlight contrast by using emphasis and pitch shift on the key word. For example, I said Monday, not Tuesday. I said Monday, not Tuesday. Another example, it is yours, not mine. It's yours, not mine. Now, a quick recap of the things we have discussed so far. We have actually discussed 7 best ways to use intonation. Number 1, to ask questions. 2, to make statements. 3, to show feelings. 4, to make lists. 5, to emphasize something important. 6, to use tag questions. And 7, to contrast things. Level up your communication. You do this by practice techniques. Use intonation to become a more engaging speaker. Learn from others. Observe how others use intonation effectively. Apply daily. This is really important. Incorporate these tips to transform your communication skills. So, and this brings us to the end of today's video. Was this video helpful? Did you enjoy it? Let me know in the comments section which intonation trick you will try first. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Thanks for watching and see you in the next class.